You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce in Spanish, therefore correctly, this Spanish name meaning grace, so it's an alternative of the word grace. Graciela is the Spanish pronunciation, Graciela. So in Spain, central Spain, they pronounce the C like TH, Graciela. In other parts of Spain or the Americas, in Spanish, they'd say Graciela with a C like an S, Graciela. Or in English, therefore, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, Graciela, Graciela. It's easy. Graciela from Spanish, Graciela, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.